There's this seagull that I talk to in the mornings. He's only got one leg, and I got creative with the reinforcing line. And I
Hold up. Did you say sea girl, or like a girl that lives by the beach, or a seagull?
No. I wish there was a seagull.
I thought there was just some girl by the beach that you're screaming reinforcements at.
I will scream out my car window, reinforcing seagull. So if I see one, I give you my word, I will scream it out the window as loud as I can. All right, here we go. Reinforcing seagull!
Sounds like someone's posting cringe. It's just a meme, Dick. Sit down.
Why is he here?
He lost!
He posted cringe?